Hello everybody, I'm Suman Matthews and today we will be discussing problems on mixtures and solutions. This is a part of the GRE Quant and also these questions are asked in the GMAT exam. For more videos on GRE Quant, refer to my playlist. This channel has videos for grades 11, 12, NATA, Maths, GRE Quant and Engineering Mathematics. Consider subscribing to my channel for more videos or you can visit my page. For further help, you can register for my online classes for GRE Quant. This presentation deals with solving problems on mixtures and solutions, and what we do is we reduce it to a simple algebraic problem. So there are two types of problems which can be asked. One is when you have two solutions, which is this. So A is 20% water and 80% milk. B is 5% water and 95% milk. What ratio should they be combined to get a mixture which is 10% water? So milk is 80%, water is 20%. For B, milk is 95%, water is 5%. We want a mixture which is 10% water. That is 0.2% of A plus 0.05% of B, which is the water content in both the mixtures. When they are added together, we need a mixture which is 10% of A plus B put together. So solving this, we get, when you open this bracket, what do you get? 0.1A plus 0.1B equal to the left hand side. So we get 0.1A equal to 0.05B, or A by B is half. So what ratio should they be combined? The ratio is 1:2. Coming to the second question, again there are two mixtures here. Two brands of detergent are to be combined. Detergent A contains 20% bleach and 80% soap, while detergent B contains 45% bleach and 55% soap. If the combined mixture is 35% bleach, what is the percentage of A in the final mixture? So we have detergent A, which has bleach 20%, soap 80%, detergent B, which has bleach 45%, soap 55%. Now what do we need? A combined mixture which is 35% bleach. So 0.20% of A plus 45% of B, that is 0.45B, should be 0.35 of A plus B. So combining, what do we get? 0.20A plus 0.45B is 0.35A plus 0.35B, or 0.15A equal to 0.10B, or A equal to 2 by 3B. So the amount of A in the mixture will be A by A plus B. That is 2 by 3B by 2 by 3B plus B. What do we do here? Substitute A as 2 by 3. So amount of A in the mixture is 2 by 5. So the percentage of A will be 2 by 5 into 100, which is 40%. Coming to question 3, how many liters of 20% alcohol solution should be added to 40 liters of a 50% alcohol solution to make a 30% alcohol solution? So let X liters of 20% alcohol solution be added to get a mixture which is 30% alcohol. So 20% of X, that is going back to the question, how many liters of 20% alcohol solution should be added to 40 liters of a 50% alcohol solution? So here we have only one solution. So we start with let X liters be the amount of 20% alcohol solution which is added. So 20% of X, this is already added to 50% of 40 liters because the solution has 50% alcohol and the resultant solution should be 30% alcohol. That is 30% of X plus 40. Because what is X plus 40? The net mixture, which is X liters plus 40. So 20 by 100 into X plus 50 by 100 into 40 is 30 by 100 into X plus 40. Simplifying, we get X as 80 liters. Coming to the next question, a 50 ml aftershave lotion at 30% alcohol is mixed with 30 ml of pure water. What is the percentage of alcohol in the new solution? So again, this is a second type of problem where we have only one solution. So 50 plus 30 is 80 ml of solution because the question says that a 50 ml solution is mixed with 30 ml of pure water. So we have 80 ml of solution and the original solution has 30% alcohol. So now let X be the percentage of alcohol in the new solution. So 30% of the 50 ml solution will now be X% of the 80 ml solution. This is the percentage of alcohol in the old solution, and this will be the percentage of alcohol in the new solution. So 30 by 100 into 50 is X into 80, or X is 0.181875. So what is the percentage of alcohol? You multiply by 100, that is 18.75. Coming to question 5, 200 liters mixture is 90% water and 10% salts. How much water should be added to get a mixture which is 5% salts? So here again we have only one solution. 200 liter, water is 90%, salt is 10%. So 10% of 200 liter is 20 liters. Let X liters of water be added. So the resultant mixture will be 200 plus X liters. So the amount of salt in the original solution was 20, and with the new mixture has to have 5% salt. That is 0.05 into 200 plus X. This is the amount of salt in the new mixture. So equating this, we get X equal to 200 L. So 200 liters should be added. Coming to question 6. A mixture of 12 grams of vinegar and oil is 40% vinegar. How many grams of oil must be added to the mixture to produce a mixture that is 25% vinegar? Again, we have only one solution here. So we have 12 grams of vinegar is given to be 40% vinegar. So the amount of vinegar will be 40% of 12, which is 4.8, and oil with 7.2. We need to know how many grams of oil should be added. So let X be the grams of oil which are to be added. Now what is 4.8? The oil in the old mixture. The new mixture 4.8 is the vinegar in the old mixture, and the new mixture has to have 25% vinegar. So what is this? 25 by 100 into 12 plus X is the percentage of vinegar in the new mixture. So solving, we get X equal to 7.2 grams. So what is the answer? 7.2 grams of oil should be added. So I hope this was useful to students trying to solve problems involving mixtures. For more videos, you can visit my page or feel free to contact me for further help. Do consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. And thank you for being such a patient and wonderful audience.